Look at that, guys.
Okay, a couple hours into the blizzard.
Yep,
It's
and
2022, the blizzard of 2022.
talk. Yeah, and that big house made this pull off. But the home didn't pull off. And you turn talk. Man.
What's up, grandson?
What's up?
Nice, nice. Oh, fighting one man? Yeah, MMA. Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Look at that guy. Why
Oh,
he just flew in it? Look at that guy. He flew in the air. Look.
What? It's a snowblower.
Why he's like blowing it? He's blowing it. Look.
Nurmagomedov.
Now let me talk. So, and that guy's like, right?
Nurmagomedov.
Yeah, Magomedov.
Nurmagomedov.
Yeah, look at that guy. He covered the house up.
Khabib Nurmagomedov, the best
He's
MMA.
He's full the
ever.
house and.
Kicked Conor McGregor's ass.
But next to big.
Nurmagomedov.
Look on
Nurmagomedov.
this side, dude. Put on this side, dude. Ha, see, all the covers are.
You're hyper, boy.
And a mace. And this guy, look at that though. It's like, how do
Oh, it's inside, yeah. It's inside the...
How?
Came through the screen. That's crazy. Look at the wires blowing so fast.
Look right
so
there,
hard.
coming in more free. Look, it's trying to break this part. Look. Look, it's trying to break this part. Look, guys.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, I almost fell down out the window.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't even see the house far away. Like,
No, it's crazy.
yeah, like, and look at that. I got in there.
Storm's
Look
flying
right
coming
there.
through the
Look
screen.
at your eye.
Yeah, I know. My antenna.
Yeah, how your antenna don't like that? And the wetness
know,
coming
that's crazy.
there. Touch the
The
wetness.
snow's coming through the
Touch
screen.
the wetness. Oh no! Look right
Touch
here.
the wetness. Nah, it just feels cold. It is cold around the windows.
Look. No,
All right, that's
no.
the update. We'll come back
Look.
a bit.